Pure love and suspicion cannot dwell together. At the door where the latter enters, the former exists. Slow and steady wins the race. A sin that is hidden is half forgiven. Those who give advice are not the ones who pay. All human wisdom is summed up in 2 words: wait and hope. Everyone sees noon at his doorstep. It's the drop of water that makes the vase overflow. What makes the desert beautiful is that somewhere it hides a well. Birds of a feather flock together. There's no smoke without fire. Clothes don't make the man. Everything comes to him who waits. Think twice before you speak. The absent are always wrong. True happiness comes from the joy of deeds well done, the zest of creating things new. Prevention is better than cure. The apple does not fall far from the tree. You can't catch flies with vinegar. Women are never so strong as after their defeat. The first half of life is spent in longing for the second, and the second half in regretting the first. A bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush. Women are never so strong as after their defeat. Make your life a dream, and a dream a reality. Where there's smoke, there's fire. All is fair in love and war. Don't sell the bear's hide before you've killed the bear. No one is obliged to do the impossible. Even though human life may be the most precious thing on earth, we behave as if there were something of higher value. Only a man who has felt ultimate despair is capable of feeling ultimate bliss. You can't do something endlessly without consequences. It's better to be alone than in bad company. Money doesn't buy happiness. Actions speak louder than words. It is in your act that you exist, not in your body. Your act is yourself, and there is no other you. If a woman slept with you on the first date, then remember that you are not the only one she sees. No one is a prophet in their own land. You can't change someone's true nature. Love does not cause suffering. What causes it is the sense of ownership, which is love's opposite. It seems that perfection is attained not when there is nothing more to add, but when there is nothing more to remove. Real love begins where nothing is expected in return.